Do you want to delete stickers from WhatsApp? You can remove sticker packs from WhatsApp account with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to delete stickers from WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Downloaded sticker packs can take up storage space on your device. Deleting unused or less frequently used sticker packs can help free up this space. And having too many sticker packs can make it difficult to find the stickers you want to use. To delete stickers from your WhatsApp account, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you are on the WhatsApp chat tab, open any chat conversation to access the stickers. You will see a text box at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the emoji or sticker icon located in the text input field. These are all the different emojis available in WhatsApp. Now, switch to the stickers section by tapping on the stickers icon. Here you will see all the downloaded stickers and recently used stickers in your WhatsApp. To remove these stickers, tap on this plus icon. From the sticker screen, tap on the My Stickers tab to access all your stickers. These are all your installed sticker packs. To remove a sticker pack, tap on this delete icon and select delete from the pop-up screen. Now, repeat the process for each sticker pack you want to delete. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage and delete unwanted stickers from your WhatsApp.